Institute of Sustainability and Development Studies has been at the forefront of transformative initiatives, forging pathways for sustainable development and youth empowerment. At the helm of innovation is our Fly for the Future program, a journey that spans 7 nations in partnership with V-Robotics and funded by Fondation Botnar. Over 10 months, the Institute of Sustainability and Development Studies, the co-lead for India Flying Labs, has been steering this groundbreaking initiative. Across the vibrant landscapes of Rajasthan, the serene regions of Gujarat, the bustling cityscapes of Maharashtra and more, we conducted 9 training sessions, reaching out to 237 students hungry for knowledge and eager to embrace the future. This wasn't just about education, it was about instilling a spirit of innovation and problem solving. The Fly for the Future program became a catalyst for change, empowering the minds of tomorrow to tackle real-life challenges through logical thinking and STEM skills. With the strong partnerships with organizations such as Gramya, Creative Foundation, CII Young Indians, and Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Samstha, our academic partners for the project are MGM University from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Dr. Bhanuben Nanavati College of Architecture for Women, Pune, Vivekananda Global University, Jaipur, and MS Bidway College of Engineering from Latur. We have not only been training, but also providing mentorship and internship opportunities, ensuring that the transition from education to the professional world is seamless. As a culmination of this year-long effort, we have gathered today at the ISDS campus. About 50 students from Indian rural landscapes have joined us for showcasing their academic projects. Young changemakers took the stage to share their inspiring projects, journeys, and lessons learned through training and experience. Their stories sparked ideas and fueled collaboration. We delved into V-Robotics and Flying Labs network, connecting everyone to a global community of drone enthusiasts and changemakers. The Fly for the Future program and various initiatives showcase the diverse ways drones are used for positive impact across the different sectors. The excitement soared on day 2 with hands-on workshops on aero modeling and DIY drone assembly kits. Attendees got to dive into the practical side, building their own mini flying machines and gaining first-hand experience with drone technology. We explored the life-saving potential of drones in healthcare and emergency operations, with presentations highlighting medical deliveries, search and rescue efforts, and much more. Efforts offered insights into future opportunities in the drone industry, helping young attendees identify areas where they can build valuable skills and launch their careers. The agricultural revolution took the center stage, showcasing how drones are transforming farming through precision spraying, crop monitoring, and yield estimation. Together, we charted a course for a brighter future fueled by innovative drone technology. The energy, enthusiasm, and collaborative efforts throughout the event were truly inspiring. At ISDS, we are not just shaping minds, we are shaping futures. Join us in this journey where technology meets purpose and the leaders of tomorrow take flight into the ocean of sustainability.